Speaker sir, coming to sound pollution. Speaker sir, on the aspect of sound pollution, the Honorable High Court of Bombay is already seized with the matter. And hence, in terms of Section 37, brackets 8, I will not be in a position to offer any comments. However, I would like to clarify that the GSBC has installed online noise level monitoring systems at Kandoli, Kalangut, Anjuna, Vagator, Mandre, Morji, Kolva and Benauli. In the beach belts of Kavelosi and Palole and Arambol, it is under installation, and in Baga, due to non-issuance of an NOC by the GTDC, which we should be getting any moment, the installation is awaited. Furthermore, the Goa State Pollution Control Board has awarded a project for noise mapping, hotspots identification and mitigation measures to control noise pollution in the state of Goa to Envirotech Solutions Private Limited in collaboration with the Central Road Research Institute. It is a 12-month-long project to be executed by CRRI New Delhi in collaboration with Envirotech Instruments Private Limited. The objective of the study is to develop noise maps in terms of day and night equivalent noise levels, indicating hotspot areas, collection of primary data comprising of traffic volume, vehicular speed, road details, type, number of lanes, surface material, building layouts, meteorological and topographical data for the preparation of the noise map. The final report is to be submitted in September 2024 with recommendations for both short-term and long-term measures derived from detailed analysis highlighting the specific areas targeted for noise mapping. Mitigation measures will also be suggested to the stakeholders for reducing the noise pollution in identified locations as recommendations suggested. Our leader of opposition spoke about sunburn, but I think you have to give credit to the Goa Pollution Board that during last sunburn festival, they ensured that the noise levels were within the permissible limits and stopped the, the festival or the whatever at the appropriate time.